Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we are going to cover the cloud computing basics. We can jump into the what is cloud. The term cloud refers to a network or internet. In other words, we can say cloud is something which is present at remote location. Cloud can provide services over public and private networks, that is wide area network, local area network, or virtual private network. That means WAN, LAN, or VPN. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management will execute on the cloud. Okay guys, we'll see what is cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is an internet-based computing service in which large group of remote servers and network allow centralized data storage and online access to computers, services or resources. Using cloud computing, nowadays organization can use shared computing and storage resources rather than building, operating and improving infrastructure on their own. Cloud computing is taking services and moving them outside an organization's firewall. We can see this picture. The application, storage and infrastructure, everything will cover under the cloud. So you can access through desktop or laptop or iPad or mobile devices, whatever, you can access the cloud. So quick definition about this cloud computing: on-demand delivery of a service or set of services via a platform on the internet. Okay guys, we can see the advantages of cloud computing. There are a lot of advantages are there in cloud computing, but we are going to talk about some of the major advantages. So less capital expenditure. It means we cannot allocate more budget on for the cloud computing, so it's a very good advantage. So that's why the startup companies nowadays migrating to cloud. Pay per use, it is a good advantage. Whatever the service we are going to use, for that only we are going to pay. So that is one of the good advantage in the cloud computing. Next one is availability in minutes, within few clicks. This will be like what, for example, if you want a server, that a virtual machine, you can create it and immediately you can get into live within few minutes. So that is a very good advantage. So no need to guess on the capacity beforehand, that is the fourth one. So here you no need to worry about the capacity. If you want to create or destroy, like if you want to increase the scaling towards or upwards or downwards, you can do it. That is auto scaling concept will be covered under this. So next one is focus more on application rather than maintains the infrastructure. So we no need to worry about the infrastructure. The cloud vendor will taken care all these things, so you can focus more on the application. So performance and speed. Performance will be more comparing to the old servers. So speed also will be faster than the existing one. So next one is great for R&D. It will be, cloud computing is a lot more used in the research and development. So that's all guys, I have covered the topics, what is cloud and cloud computing and advantages. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. We will see in some other videos soon. Thank you guys, bye.